So this is our 2012 Calculus Free Response question number 5. It is about a baby bird. It says the rate at which a baby bird gains weight is proportional to the difference between its adult weight and its current weight. And we see that in the equation here. The rate at which the baby bird gains weight, so B is the weight of the bird, is proportional to, so it's a constant times, the difference between its adult weight and its current weight. So its adult weight must be 100 and its current rate must be the B. So this is the difference between them. So everything that they've written in the sentence occurs in this equation right here. Then it says at time t equals 0, when the bird is first weighed, its weight is 20 grams. If B of t is the weight of the bird in grams at time t, days after it is first weighed, then, and they give you this equation which has a derivative and it also has b, the function we're doing the derivative of. So this is a differential equation. And so we need to be thinking about separation of variables and maybe a slope field. So then it says let y equals b of t be the solution to the differential equation with initial condition b of 0 equals 20. And now we're ready to do part A. Is the bird gaining weight faster when it weighs 40 grams or when it weighs 70 grams? Then they ask us about a graph. And at the very end, they do ask us to use separation of variables to find y equals b of t, an equation that will describe the weight of the bird. So let's try to do part A. It says, is the bird gaining weight faster when it weighs 40 grams or when it weighs 70 grams? So our basic equation here is dB dt equals 1/5 times 100 minus b. And we're asked about whether it's gaining weight faster when it weighs 40 grams. So when the bird weighs 40 grams, that's b equals 40. And when the bird weighs 70 grams, that's b equals 70. So we want to know if the bird is gaining weight faster, so that would mean that the dB dt is larger. Well, let's just find out what the dB dt is. All we have to do is plug in our variables. So we're going to take 40 and we're going to plug it in for the b right there, and then we will have dB dt equals 1/5 times 100 minus 40, which is 1/5 times 60, which is 12. So this would be, they didn't ask us for units, but this would be 12, let's see, grams per day. Grams per day. That the bird is gaining weight. The bird is gaining weight at 12 grams per day. Nice hefty bird growth. Then, when the bird weighs 70 grams, this is the weight of the bird here, then dB dt, so now we're going to take the 70 and plug that in for the b. So that dB dt equals 1/5 times 100 minus 70. And so 100 minus 70 is 30, and 1/5 of 30 is 6, so that would be 6 grams per day. Well, since 12 is greater than 6, 12 is larger than 6, therefore, the bird gains weight more rapidly when it weighs 40 grams. And that's our answer to part A.